Alex had $47 in his account. Rent was due in 3 days. He had a business idea, but zero clue where to start. He Googled how to start a business, got 10 million results. None of them helped. He watched videos, read books, took a free course. Still, nothing moved. Months passed. Same struggle, same confusion, same empty bank account. Then one night, sitting in his car, he wrote 5 words on a napkin. 5 words that changed everything. And in 12 months, Alex went from $47 to a business generating over $10,000 a month. No investor, no loan, no luck, just a system. A 5-step system that almost nobody talks about. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly what he did. 8. Welcome to Business Shortcuts. Here's the brutal truth. 90% of people who want to start a business never actually start. And the ones who do start, most quit within 6 months. Why? Because they're following the wrong advice. They think they need a perfect product. They think they need funding. They think they need the right moment. That moment never comes. That's not a business strategy. That's a waiting strategy. And waiting never built anything. Alex made every single one of these mistakes, and it nearly destroyed him. Alex was 26, working a 9-to-5 he couldn't stand. Every Sunday night, anxiety. Every Monday morning, regret. He had talent, real talent, but talent without direction is just wasted energy. He tried dropshipping, failed. He tried freelancing, got 1 client, lost them. He tried an online store, spent money, made nothing. 3 failed attempts. 18 months wasted. Confidence gone. He told himself maybe he wasn't cut out for this. Maybe business was for other people. Maybe he should just accept the job. And that's the moment. That exact moment of giving up. That's when everything changed. Because failure teaches you something success never can. Alex stopped trying to copy what others were doing. He started asking one question. One powerful question that most people never ask. The question was simple. What problem can I solve right now with what I already have? Not what can I build? Not what can I sell? What problem can I solve? That's the secret most business gurus hide behind paywalls. Business is not about you. Business is not about your product. Business is about solving someone else's problem. The moment Alex understood this, everything clicked. He had a skill, graphic design. He had a phone. He had internet. He had enough. He didn't need more tools. He didn't need more time. He needed a system. And that system had 5 steps. Step 1. Choose one problem. Just one. Not a niche. Not a category. One specific problem that real people have right now. Alex chose small business owners who need professional branding, but can't afford big agencies. One problem, one audience. Crystal clear. Step 2. Validate before you build anything. Alex didn't build a website first. He didn't make a logo or print business cards. He sent 15 direct messages. He asked real people one question. Would you pay for this? 7 said yes. That was his green light. Step 3. Deliver with 0 overhead. Alex used free tools. Canva, Google Docs, a free scheduling link. That was his entire business infrastructure. He kept his costs at 0. His first month revenue, $800. Pure profit. Step 4. Get obsessed with your first 10 clients. Not 100. Not 1,000. 10. Alex treated every single client like they were his only client. Over-delivered every time. Results spoke louder than any ad campaign. Word spread. Referrals started coming in. His calendar filled up without spending a single dollar on marketing. Step 5. Reinvest with discipline. This is where most people fail. When money starts coming in, they spend it on lifestyle. Alex did the opposite. He reinvested 80% of every payment. Better tools. A part-time assistant. A simple website. Each reinvestment made him more efficient. Each reinvestment multiplied his output. Slowly, his business became a machine. Month 1, $800. Month 3, $3,000. Month 6, $6,000. Month 12, $10,000 plus. Every single month. Same person, same skill. Completely different system. Alex didn't get lucky. He didn't find a magic shortcut. He stopped waiting for perfect and started executing with what he had. Today, Alex doesn't set an alarm. He doesn't dread Mondays. He doesn't check his bank account with fear. He built something real, from $47 and a napkin. And here's what he says now. The only difference between where you are and where you want to be is the system you're following. You have a skill. You have a problem you can solve. You have enough to start. The only thing missing is the system. And that's exactly what this channel is built for. Subscribe to Business Shortcuts. Every video, one strategy, one system, one step closer. Your zero is just your starting point. Let's build from here.